Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. He decided to do something nice for his coworker.
Wow, amazing. Sally Coco, thanks for the 8 months.
I think I know who the evil sibling is.
It's you? Whatever, dude. I do have a bald friend who recently got a full hair system, and it looks so real that I saw a clip of him. I was so fucking
You dumb.
I was so fucking confused. August. Yeah, no, I saw a clip of August on the League of Legends subreddit, and he had a full head of hair. And I opened the comments, and the top comment was like, "Since when did he have hair?" And then I mentioned it to one of our mutual friends, and she was like, "Oh yeah, he got a full toupee thing." And we all teased him for it. I was like, "Oh, well, I thought it looked pretty realistic. I was impressed." Yeah, they call it a hair system. I don't know why. Maybe because it doesn't sound as weird as like a wig or a toupee.
Here we go. It's a big old here. Baggy, what are you doing?
Oh!
This dog has been watching too many horror movies.
Why is it looking at me like that? Oh my god.
Hey bro, do you want to watch some reels with me?
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright. That one's funny.
I guess she isn't a morning person.
Happy birthday
I mean, that's kind of terrifying. Your family standing around your bed in the dark with candles singing happy birthday. Whoa.
This bamboo never stood a chance.
This is a sharp sword.
Guess which fork I drew?
Neither of them.
Well, I saw you draw the right one. This one? Yeah, so this one's fake. So I drew this one? Mm-hmm.
I think somehow the whole neighborhood knew he missed.
It was too obvious.
Bryce Woodard.
A possum was on her doorstep stopping her from entering her home, so she called the police for help.
I don't know how to go about this, and I've called everybody that I know that could possibly be open for emergencies of this nature. I would just like to get into my residence.
Baby, it's not funny. You know how stupid we're gonna look? I do.
Oh, hell. Dude, it was so small, too.
No.
This kid has some serious skills.
Wow. So good.
What the hell is this?
Yeah, Tran, 113 months.
My entire life.
Oh my god, look at that thing. They look like my horses on last Sub Sunday. Dude, you could have like 3 kids in there. What the heck?
Do you see it?
What is the point of that?
Because I almost didn't see it.
Yeah, the shortest bus.
And I'm wondering what else I'm not seeing. But do you
oh my lord.
see it yet? Stop yourself. Hi, baby!
This might be the best bathroom I've ever seen.
Oh, so cool. 1 year.
I unlocked the toilet door. And then... monkeys.
All right, we're here at Rapworks.
About to have the limbo queen go underneath her world record of 8.5 inches.
What? What the fuck? Damn, she's doing a little dance too!
This little guy was really thirsty.
Crazy! Oh my god, how'd she do that?
I'm coming straight out of Compton. Compton. Straight out of Compton.
CHS Assistant Principal. Dr. Aaron Cosseris, CHS Assistant Principal.
These guys completed a whole marathon
Just
inside of a
making
grocery
them
store.
sit out there in the... Oh my god, that'd be the worst day ever. That fucking
first kilometer
sucks.
down.
Vivid,
5
thanks for 1
kilometers
year.
down. Perfect conditions out here today. Lovely flat ground, firm
Terrible.
underfoot. 2 hours. 10 left.
Coming to the final straight here with the trolley. Quite a few bits we've decided we need.
There is. Here we go.
睇你兩件有你水啊，能一定有。水大水大水水水大水大水大，哎。
This might be the most bored kid I've ever seen.
Others to lead and to make your
Oh my god, he's so bored.
things through to completion.
Poor kid.
I guess this really is the longest grind ever.
Crazy balance. He's giving the stink face.
This was my favorite clip from this episode, but it did make me feel pretty old.
Wait, what?
How do I get to disc 2, bro?
What year were you born?
Get me out, man. This is just open the other side.
No.
Whoa!
Oh, he fits perfectly.
This is proof that moms aren't always right.
I'm not sure, Mom. This may be dangerous.
It'll be fine. What's she trying to
That's
do?
what she always says. That's what you always say.
Brian Lee, Caitlin Lee, Elia Lee, Ellen Lee, Emily Lee,
Emily Lee.
Jason Lee.
This old dog is used to his owner being in the shower and couldn't comprehend them being anywhere else.
Coda! 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 Hey! Hey!
Zealous, thanks for 3 months.
Oh my god!
Dougie.
How old are you?
Guys, I'm in London. I'm enjoying the sunset. I got my ice cream.
Turns out if you wear a cowboy hat to the zoo, everyone believes you work there.
His name is Lincoln. I've been here for 3 years. That's 4 Joeys. Come over, Pat. Oh, look at that, we scared him off.
That's me trying to make my horse go up the hill in Red Dead or Witcher. What? That's fucking how? That's insane.
The water turning blue is caused by bioluminescence,
real?
which is a natural light created by
I've seen this.
dinoflagellates
This is
that
so
thrive in
beautiful.
warm coastal waters.
It's a camera angle trick. I could see that being what it actually is.
Helicopter!
Helicopter! Helicopter! Helicopter! Helicopter! Helicopter! Helicopter! Helicopter! Helicopter!
Look at that, 9 months.
I'm sorry, I know that was both satisfying but also incredibly unsatisfying.
Wow!
These sea creatures are known as Christmas tree worms. When they detect a potential threat, they quickly retreat to safety.
They're cute! Oh! Goodbye. Little worms.
I think he's been listening to too much Radiohead.
Yo, Stoolowitz, thank you for the prime. That's cool. The aim's pretty good.
I don't think that went how he planned.
Dude, I hate this car.
Like a glove.
$30 to the first person that sings the ABCs out loud.
A, B, C, D, E, F, W, X, Y, and Z.
All right, let's go. Woo! Here you go, man.
Let's go. Thank
That was
you.
amazing.
Selling this for $40.
This might be the most overstimulating Uber I've ever seen.
Oh man, imagine being car sick in this. Boy, just be ambitious. Imagine being car sick in that car.
This is a type of bush cricket that is found in Southeast Asia. Many Asian cultures used to collect these singing crickets to listen to their song.
Why are you smacking his head? Seriously, Mr. Daly, you cut it off before the crunch? Fucking asshole.
Don't worry, I wouldn't leave you hanging like that.
That was very good. That was perfect.
I think a ghost is bringing in the garbage.
That's being like a small child in front of that, right?
I'm not judging. It's a beautiful gift. I got it
5
during
years,
a
6
really
for
hard
6
time
months.
in my life, and I'm not trying to laugh. I needed a good pick-me-up. I needed a good, like, self-care thing. Who bought me this? Who bought me this?
In hindsight, maybe that was a bad
I have a Kirby
idea.
one of those, but I'm
Just tell me
scared to
what's
use
going
it.
on.
Because I feel like I'm going to look terrifying. Show us. It's somewhere in my bathroom. I'd have to find it. I'll find it and maybe I'll do it.
Go to bed.
This chicken never skips chest day.
Oh, small chicken. He's trying to puff it out. So pink. So purple. Wow.
This guy is the master of shadow puppets.
Kardeşim dilini çıkar. Sen dilini çıkar kardeşim. Uzat iyice dilini. Uzat. Uzat.
Wow, why did the guy sitting stick his tongue out? Kinda weird.
Harper, this is the Christmas. He's a firefighter, not a fireman.
Is a bird filming this?
Chicken, brown rice, lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream, cheese, and fajitas.
If you enjoyed this video, I think you'll probably like this one as well. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.